Hey everyone, welcome back to Elite Service Masters. If you're looking to boost your property's value in 2024 without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Whether you're a homeowner looking to sell or an investor trying to maximize your returns, today we're covering easy, effective upgrades that'll have buyers knocking on your door. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's jump into these simple yet impactful home improvements. First up, curb appeal. This is where you make your property stand out before anyone even steps inside. Let's start with the obvious, your lawn. A well-kept lawn can make all the difference. Consider adding fresh sod or reseeding any patchy areas. For even more impact, plant a few low-maintenance shrubs or colorful flowers. But wait, don't forget about your front door. A bold, freshly painted front door is like rolling out the red carpet for buyers. Opt for colors like navy blue, black, or red, which are trending this year. And if your budget allows, swap out that old hardware for something modern. You'd be amazed at how these little changes can instantly elevate the home's exterior. Now, let's talk lighting. Outdoor lighting isn't just for security, it's a feature that adds serious value. Think about installing sleek LED lights along your pathway or spotlighting a few key trees or plants in the yard. This not only creates a welcoming atmosphere, but also makes your home look high-end, especially during evening showings. Next, move to windows. Yes, we're still on the outside, but upgrading or cleaning up your windows can have a huge impact. If your windows are outdated, consider energy-efficient models. They don't just look good, they'll save the next owner on energy bills too. If new windows aren't in the budget, a deep clean and a fresh set of shutters can do wonders. Now, stepping inside, let's talk flooring. Buyers notice flooring as soon as they walk in, and worn-out carpets or scratched hardwood can be a big turnoff. If you can swing it, upgrading to hardwood or laminate flooring will instantly increase your property's appeal. But if you're on a budget, even a professional carpet cleaning or adding new area rugs can help create that fresh look. Next up, the kitchen. You don't need to do a full remodel to add value here. Start with small changes like updating cabinet hardware, installing a new faucet, or even adding a fresh coat of paint to the cabinets. Neutral colors like white, gray, and soft blues are timeless and help make the space feel bigger and cleaner. And let's not forget about lighting again. Swap out any dated fixtures for modern, energy-efficient ones. Pendant lights over a kitchen island or dining area are a great touch that can make the space look more contemporary without a hefty price tag. Moving on to bathrooms, much like the kitchen, small upgrades go a long way here. Replace that old vanity or just swap out the sink and faucet. New mirrors, towel bars, and even a fresh shower curtain can give the bathroom a mini facelift. And if your bathroom's looking a bit dull, regrouting the tile or adding a frame to a plain mirror can give it a whole new life without the cost of a renovation. Here's another tip that's growing in popularity: smart home upgrades. More and more buyers are interested in tech-savvy homes, and the good news is, you don't need to go overboard. Installing a smart thermostat, doorbell camera, or smart lighting system can instantly appeal to a younger, tech-focused market. These upgrades are relatively affordable, but can make your home seem a lot more modern and convenient. One often overlooked area? Storage. Adding more storage space is a surefire way to increase your home's value. Built-in shelving in the living room or bedroom closets, or even adding storage solutions in the garage, can be a huge selling point. Buyers love homes that are organized and efficient. Don't forget energy efficiency. Insulation is one of those hidden upgrades that adds value over time. If you've got an older home, consider upgrading the insulation in the attic or even sealing drafty windows and doors. Not only will this make the home more comfortable, but it'll also attract buyers who appreciate lower energy bills. Now, here's a tip that costs little to nothing: decluttering and deep cleaning. A clean, clutter-free home appears larger, brighter, and more inviting. Focus on creating an open, airy feel by minimizing the amount of furniture and decorations in each room. Don't underestimate the power of a spotless home. It can be the difference between getting a lowball offer or receiving top dollar. Finally, paint. It's probably the most affordable upgrade with the highest return on investment. A fresh coat of paint, especially in light, neutral tones, can completely transform your home. Stick to colors like light grays, soft whites, or beige, which not only make spaces feel larger, but also allow potential buyers to envision their own furniture and style. So there you have it. Simple yet powerful upgrades to increase your property's value in 2024. From sprucing up your curb appeal to installing smart home devices, these improvements are designed to make your home more attractive to buyers without blowing your budget. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more home improvement advice. At Elite Service Masters, we've got you covered with all the tips and tricks to help your property stand out in today's competitive market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.